Hello everyone. Today we're going to show you how to safely load a Buick Envision onto a U-Haul toy hauler. Do note that your vehicle may differ slightly from the one seen in this video. To begin, let's prepare both the towing vehicle and the toy hauler.
First, make sure the towing vehicle is in park with the parking brake set. Double check the trailer's wiring harness, coupler, and safety cables to make sure they are securely attached to the towing vehicle. Release the front security chain from the D-ring for ease of access later. The rear security chain is located in this pocket. It can remain there until after the vehicle has been loaded. Now pull the ramps out of storage by depressing the locking tab, fully extending and lowering them to the ground. Repeat for each ramp needed. Center the vehicle to be loaded behind the toy hauler's extended ramps. While loading the vehicle, drive slowly and have an observer make sure that the front of the vehicle does not hit the ramps. During the loading process, have your guide stand off to the side. Continue slowly up the ramps and onto the trailer until the vehicle's tires come to rest against the stops at the front of the trailer, or when the rear tire is centered on the rear tire load line, whichever comes first. The vehicle should be centered on the platform. If it's off to one side, you need to reposition. Before exiting the vehicle, place the vehicle in park and engage the parking brake.
U-Haul always recommends we tie down 4 points of the vehicle. For that, I'm going to use the U-Haul tie-down kit. It can be purchased at your neighborhood U-Haul, or it can be ordered from the link in the description. Let's take a look at how to use this kit.
At the front of the vehicle, secure the ratchet hook to the trailer tongue D-ring. Wrap the axle strap around the lower control arm and secure the hook to the integrated D-ring. Pass the strap under the trailer's rail. Pass the strap through the ratchet spindle and tighten the strap. Lock the handle and secure the excess webbing. In the rear of the vehicle, wrap the axle strap around the trailing control arm and secure the hook to the D-ring. Pass the length of strap through the corner D-ring and route towards the D-ring near the center. Attach the ratchet hook to the D-ring, pass the strap through the spindle, and tighten. Then repeat on the other side. Finish securing the vehicle by fastening the security chains to the frame or other structural member. Leave some slack in the chain, looping them around and securing them through an open link using the S-hooks. Secure with the rubber retainer. You'll have to do this at the front and back of the vehicle. Never pass the security chain over a brake line, electrical wiring, or any component that may be damaged. Stow the ramps by lifting them and sliding them back until the latches re-engage and are correctly securing the ramps. Recheck the ratchet straps and all hookup connections after the first 5 miles, again after 50 miles, and thereafter at all stops during your travels. If you have any questions, visit us at your nearest U-Haul center or online at uhaul.com, or download the U-Haul app on your mobile device.